Forex Fury robot review. So if you want a review about Forex Fury robot, then this video is for you. If you're into Forex trading and looking for an automated trading solution, you've probably heard of Forex Fury. But does it really work? In this video, I'll break down its features, test results, pros and cons, and whether it's worth your investment or not. So Forex Fury is an expert advisor for MetaTrader 4 and 5. It claims 93% win rate with low drawdown. It works on low risk strategies, usually scalping, and it comes in two packages. One is gold and the other one is diamond, which is a lifetime license. Now, if you don't want to know about the features, then it's fully automated trading. It has no manual input required, and it is compatible with MetaTrader 4 and 5, which means it works with most brokers, and it supports multiple pairs and time frames. It has risk management settings, which allows users to tweak lot sizes, stop loss, and risk percentage. It has news filter, helps avoid high volatility events. If you want to know about the pros and cons, then it's easy to install and it's beginner friendly. It has a good performance in stable market conditions, and it has a lifetime license, which is no recurring fees. And if you want to know about the cons, then it has high risk during volatile markets and no refunds once purchased. And it requires optimization for best results. So why should you buy it? Because Forex Fury is a decent option for semi-passive traders, but it's not for a set and forget solution. It is best for traders who can tweak settings and monitor in occasionally. If you're expecting consistent 100% profits, it's not realistic. You can also have an alternative. You can consider trying a demo first before using real money. So that's it, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.